think I just found the ultimate hidden gem hotel in Bangkok, but it has one major catch that almost made us regret booking it.
Hello everyone, this is Lumbadik Filipina, and today we are going to bring you to one of our hotel review here in Bangkok City, guys. But first of all, I want you to know where we are staying. So we're actually staying here in Adelphi Suites area, guys. So Adelphi Suites Hotel. So we're just right here, very close to the bars, restaurants. So local restaurants as well. Like this is the outside view. And yes, guys, this is where we are staying. So that you have any idea where you are going to stay here in Bangkok, Thailand. Because before taking your flight, we need to make sure everything is ready. You need to make sure that you have somewhere to rest, because it's not that going to happen that you are just gonna land in this area and then without booking anything, you're just gonna stay to yourself, because it happens sometimes, guys, that hotels are fully booked. So that's why before taking that flight, you need to make sure that your place is already prepared so that you can take a nap or you can take a rest. Because crazy, Europe, if you fly from Europe or USA back here, and I mean here to Thailand, it's going to be like 30 or 24 hours in the plane. So it's like going to be super exhausting for you. So no more worries, guys. I'm going to take you in this place and it's going to be amazing. And currently we are here in the room. So this is actually the area, guys, that we are staying for tonight. Just one night, guys, back here in Bangkok, Thailand. So when you got inside, you got this area. So for you, yeah, they got some instruction for yourself as well. Yeah, and then you can sit in here. You can put your stuff in there. Sofa over there, where you can watch televisions over there. Actually, guys, I really do like this area, guys. One is because you can store food over here, guys, and of course you can cook food. So if you like home cook, guys, you can really go to grocery store, you can go to the market store just to buy some needed for you to able to cook, like especially if you are going to stay here for long term, guys. If you're going to stay here for long term, so you need that. And of course, you don't need to get people to wash your clothes. You can have it here because this is really good for laundry, guys. You can just sleep over there and have it on. And as I said, you can cook. You can even heat your food over here, store your food over here, and you got some of this good areas also where you can stock your foods. And of course, you got some important utensils here as well. Oh no, that's a trash where you can put your trash over here, and utensils, everything you need, guys, for the houses. Like for me, when the first time I saw this place, it's like, oh, I wish I have a house like this. I wish I have apartment like this, where I have everything already, like especially just like not a lot of people, like maybe you can have more privacy to yourself. I can really work like this, guys, like work peacefully, guys. I can really focus on my work. And of course you got some mirror over there, you can just work over here and then see to yourself like, oh, how hardworking I am. And of course you got some plug in there, and no smoking here, guys, because if you're going to smoke over here in this room, guys, this is actually a smoke detector over here. So like you can find for like 10,000 pesos, guys, because 5,000 baht is equivalent to Philippine pesos, like around 10,000 pesos. So yeah, and watch television over here. And this is what we are waiting for. Somewhere that we can rest. We can rest, guys, because after a long day of flight, we literally need it. And of course, you got a television over here. Yes. So in this, guys. Oh my God. I feel like I want to sleep right now. I'm gonna sleep now, guys. Help me not to go to sleep. I feel like I'm a kid now. So this is cabinet where you can store your clothes over here. Yes, and you got some telephone over there. Yeah, where you can call your partner in crime chat, where you can call for the hotel assistance. And of course, guys, one of the second favorite of ours is the comfort room in the bathroom. So like you can take a bath over here. Hot and cold. You got a hot and cold shower, and you got some important stuff over here also where you can use it. You don't need to buy anything and spend your money. So you have it everything already, guys, needed for you to be more comfortable of living this area. Yes, like that, that, and that. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Book your flight going to Thailand, and you can use this place, or you can book this place or also, guys, if it's under on your budget. Yeah, and of course, guys, you can literally view the city. Yes. Although it's not overviewing to the city, but you can still view it. You know, if you love city vibes, you know, city looking views, so this is definitely a good place for you guys. And you're not really, if you're really not into heights, so it's not really that tall where you can just see and you're gonna be scared. No, it's like you'll be fine. I think if you're gonna jump, guys, you can just if you will jump, guys, you will gonna still be alive. But I'm not recommending that for you to do it, okay? That's bad. So guys, this is the room, and then I'm gonna show you also the outside. But guys, yeah, this is really super amazing and great place for you to stay. So I'm going to bring you to the top floor area where there is a swimming pool. I could really see it in here now. Wow. So it's like infinity. So this is like infinity pool. And they have restroom. And this is the pool area, guys. Although I like it more, the one that we had in Pattaya. But this one is nice also. But this one is way more taller, guys. So you can see of that one. Yeah. I'm going to ask how 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 much feet is this? Excuse me. So, how tall is this? It's like 3 cm or 3 feet tall or 4 feet tall? 4 feet? 4? 4? Okay, 4 feet. So actually, guys, I asked guys if how many feet is this? It's like 4 feet, so it's not really that bad. Because like, me basically, I don't really like the area which is 5, like that, maybe like around 4. I'm fine with it. You got gym as well. So they got gym as well. Ah, gym. So this is their gym. So okay, thank you. Oh, wow, guys, this is the gym. Wow, it's really nice. I like it. It's really cool, guys. And that's me over there. Churn. I like my t-shirt, guys. I look super comfortable on it. Like, I feel also super comfortable. Let's go downstairs. This is all for the area. Sawadee ka. I am from the Philippines. Yeah. Thank you, you too. I think, guys, if I'm gonna live here longer in Thailand, I'm gonna learn some of the few words. It's good to learn, though. So yeah, it's good. Oh wait, it's not that. Oh, it is. We're gonna wait for this one. Let's go. Lower ground floor. Sawadee kapon ka.
So, is Adelphi Suites worth your hard-earned money? Honestly, for the location, space, and having a full kitchen right in the heart of Sukhumvit, it's an absolute 8.5 out of 10 for me. This is easily one of the best value for money stays in Bangkok.